Hey sweet friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making something beautifully unique, cozy, and nutty black sesame latte. This drink is smooth, creamy, and deeply comforting, with a rich roasted sesame flavor that's slightly sweet and wonderfully earthy. Popular in East Asian cafes, the black sesame latte is perfect for anyone who loves trying new coffee flavors or wants a warm drink that feels both indulgent and calming. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 shot espresso or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, 3/4 cup milk, whole oat, soy or your favorite 1/2 tablespoons, black sesame paste 1 to 2 teaspoons, sugar, honey, or sweetened condensed milk to taste, optional, garnish, black sesame seeds or a light milk foam. Directions: start by brewing your espresso or strong coffee and setting it aside. In a small saucepan over low heat, combine the black sesame paste, sweetener, and a few tablespoons of milk. Whisk gently until the paste loosens and becomes smooth. This step helps fully release the nutty, roasted flavor of the sesame. Slowly add the remaining milk to the saucepan and heat until steaming but not boiling. Continue whisking to keep the mixture silky and well blended. Once warmed, remove from heat. Pour the brewed espresso into your favorite mug, then slowly add the hot black sesame milk mixture. Stir gently to combine, making sure the coffee and sesame flavors are evenly blended. If you'd like, top your latte with a little milk foam or a sprinkle of black sesame seeds for a sail finish. The result is a smooth, creamy latte with a rich, toasty flavor that's comforting and sophisticated. And just like that, your black sesame latte is ready, warm, nutty, and perfectly cozy. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more unique coffee creations. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.